Okie dokie. Wait, oh shit, there's a middle finger.
Oh, that's how we're doing it, huh?
This is what I needed. Is that the gritty?
Yeah, that's gritty.
No, no, not the gritty. Okay, that one I dig. Where's the twerk? Did you find the entrance yet?
I'm following you. We're on walkies.
I'm just running. I'm running towards Hyrule. That's all I'm assuming that's where we gotta go. War.
What? I don't think this was the way.
Okay, it says that's the main entrance right there.
Oh, it does. Wait.
Who's that?
Is that a mask?
I think that is a mask. Well, we can't go that way. Hey, leave me alone.
Maybe he will. Maybe he'll tell us where the freaking way to get there is.
I could go talk to him. Okay, I'm gonna go to Death Mountain. Maybe that'll be like a fire exit or something. Never mind. There's no bridge over here either.
Maybe we should go to the ranch.
But there is a mask in front of the main entrance now. All right.
Like,
well,
he doesn't even know how to get to us.
no, he doesn't. Okay, bye, dude. Let's go to the ranch. Oh, yep, we can go in this way.
It's so bright in here.
I know, I love it.
Why is this door open? Kyle, I saw the bracken.
Oh, he says it's too bright, eh? He says it's too bright, eh? I don't think it's real dark here in a second.
This is so dark.
It is so dark, like my soul.
I'm playing Doom 3 right now.
Doom 3 is great, don't you speak that heresy.
I'm just saying it's dark. Kyle?
Yes?
Why'd you make it even darker?
I didn't think you'd notice!
It pulls a giant screen saying that someone took the apparatus.
I don't know what you're talking. I just took the shiny thing. I took the shiny thing in the wall. Oh, you don't want to go back? Is it because I took the apparatus?
Yes.
Oh, what was that?
What you mean?
Well,
Something.
They are
something,
still alive.
Something ran this way. Oh no!
I don't think. No.
Oh god, he's dead! Oh god, he's dead!
This says player. I don't know who died.
Oh god! Oh, he just dropped down!
Okay.
Just dropped down like... Oh no, war's in the truck. Oh fuck. That there's a bracken. Release the bracken. Wait, is that War trying to lead me out? Can't go that way, War. Jesus, Jehoshaphat. Damn you, War. What are you writing, War?
Hey Kyle. Hey Kyle.
Yeah?
You better not show this on your stream.
Ah! Demonetize my ad revenue! Ah! Or what you got?
Since the entrance is right next to the ship, you can just come here whenever.
Yeah, this could be some quick, easy profit, I think. No!
Just a blood stain on the, what's left of him.
All that's left is just blood.
And...
Oh, hey Kyle, I got something cool to show you when you're not streaming.
Alright. What is it? H-Doom?
What? Oh,
Is it... It's
You
the
wish.
H-Doom.
Sounds like they're about to look up some H-Doom.
Hey, Tropes, is that you in front of me?
no.
Or are you in the ship? need you to let me know if it's safe outside of the room I'm in right now.
It is. I see something in the distance. It might be the scavenger. It's coming towards you.
Yeah, it's a scavenger. There was a bracken. Ah! Fuck off! Oh my god! Oh my god! I hate this game. Why does he keep fucking on me? I'm not interested, bro.
What are you trying to do?
Not get killed by the bracken. Hey, can one of you guys come down here and grab my flashlight and walkie if I die?
You'll be fine.
I think I'm getting close. Oh.
So is that bracken?
The bracken's the other way!
Kyle, just run over here.
That's crazy, man.
Ah! I'm
If
gonna
you can
cry.
run past it, you can survive one bite.
Dude, he just stood there. Thank you, thank you.
You were scared for nothing.
Dude, I thought he would attack my ass. I thought he would eat my
You were
buns.
scared for nothing.
He just stood there and did nothing.
I
Yeah.
can say from personal experience, you can survive at least one bite from a spider.
As long as you suck it out, the venom out of the wound first.
Ah, skeleton!
No! I am nothing but a bone! I'm made of bones! He-Man, your shovel of truth is no match for the evil! Oh, now War's a pro. War's a pro.
I'm going in raw, wish me luck.
My good. Don't go there. Oh, I thank you. But I'm gonna have to.
Did he give us something? Is it a
He
trap?
brought a key. The
Yippee!
key is worth 3, but the egg beater I have is worth more, so I don't have to pass.
I'll take it, little friend.
Don't. Well, see you later, dumbass. I ain't helping you with that. You got yourself into that mess.
Fuck him up! Fuck him up! Fuck him up! Oh! Betray me like that. You fucker! Never trust another bug again.
I ran into a dead end, wouldn't you know it?
Mommy! Mommy! Jump. Jump like the bitch that you are. No!
Oh no! What'd you do? Oh wait, since it's Majora's Mask, you know what that means, Kyle? I should put on the mask. I should put on the mask, Kyle.
No!
I should put on the mask.
Don't do it! I got my shovel, don't do it! Don't make me do this! Don't make me do this!
Put on
My brother!
I'm putting on the mask, Kyle.
No, don't do it!
There's no laws against the mask, Batman. Oh shit! Oh shit!
No! No more!
Hi, how's it going?
No! Fuck him up! Fuck him up! No,
Can't affect him
Michael!
in space.
No.
I made a discovery. What the? That's terrifying.
New kink unlocked. Congrats on the new kink.
Oh, new creature. So there are creatures on this map.
Chat. Holy fucking god.
It's a classic meme.
Okay, so by the way, there's a bracken. And he's really close.
Bracking these nuts. I think I heard it purring. Oh, hello. Oh,
shit! Oh no, bro! I'm leaving.
What happened to the mask right outside? What the hell?
No! Stop it! I'm dying! No!
Kyle, am I using the toilet right?
You do your Dude, I can't see my peen.
Oh no.
Why you do this? Oh fuck. I lose all my items with it too.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh.
Here, take it. Cheers. You can have it. Yep, take it. It's all yours. I don't know. Relevancy. I don't know what that was, but it wasn't nice. Oh, it's a Moroccan. War fucked you guys? Oh no, war fucked us. Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Oh, I know, but I'm still alive. Armed with my egg beater. Are you dead? Alright. When we get back to the ship, we grab a shovel, we gangbang him. You understand? Wait. And that came out wrong. We fuck him up. Gangbang me hard. No war! No! No! Don't gangbang people. So what did you... So how did you two die? How am I the one still alive? Oh, fucking damn it, what the fuck was that? Open the door. Yippee! Fuck off! Fuck off, bug! Why? Why you guys gotta come up here and fucking teen me? Wait, what's this? Is that death? That is death. I almost fell for it. I don't think I've been in here before. Holy fuck!
Well.
I blame war.
Yeah, I'm fully at blame there.
Why war? Why you do this? Oh.
Because it was the first day for the lulz.
Oh, starting to get turned around. That war?
No.
Oh, okay. Good.
Something wicked this
That
way,
guy
Tom.
smells funny.
It's your
Oh, hey,
imagination.
war.
Hi.
That's locked. Alright, let's find our way out of here.
There's slime.
Slime?
Yeah.
It's slime time.
Is it a slime girl? Locked.
Oh, here's the.
And video games and tabletop nerd store. Oh, that's my kind of store, bruh. Include, like, music, and then I'm good. Oh, fuck, that is slime. Actual slime. Okay, flashlight's dead, that's fine. Oh, fucking hell. I'm trapped by slime. It's huge. Let it kind of slowly pass. Just gonna sit here. Okay, go.
Do I want to know how Kyle lost us?
He's lost, but...
I don't know what's chasing me, but something's chasing me.
He'll figure it out. Something's after him, though.
I say that.
He's going through all these different ways that we didn't go.
Yeah.
What's that?
Shut L2.
I don't know what's in here, but something's in here and it's whispering in my ear.
Hey, it's F2.
Like mumbling in my ear. Moaning.
No action
back.
for this word.
I can't understand
Oh,
the
fuck, it's
text
a
of
loot
these
bug.
doors. Oh wait, those are open. Okay, never mind. God, God, he is so lost. He doesn't. What does he have? Oh, you don't want to.
My
You don't want to
flashlight
lose
is
all this
dead.
stuff, though.
Yeah.
And I can't find my
There
way
you go.
out of these. What's he?
Oh, something's.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm dead.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh,
Why did it?
Lord have mercy! Saved my soul.
Whoa.
You killed it.
My flashlight died. Was trapped by a loot bug. I'm
Dude,
freaking out, man.
Dude, you made one wrong turn and got eternally lost. We just kept following a path. And we were out in like 10 seconds after you split off from us.
Yeah, I got lost like 100 million times, I know.
Bye.